Fresh graduates today are increasingly drawn towards starting their own businesses because the traditional definition of career success has changed, and employment alone no longer guarantees stability, growth, or fulfillment. One of the strongest reasons is the mismatch between education and the job market. Many graduates spend years earning degrees only to discover that available jobs either do not match their qualifications or offer salaries that barely cover basic living expenses. This gap creates frustration and disappointment, pushing graduates to consider entrepreneurship as a way to use their skills more effectively and gain practical experience rather than waiting endlessly for the right job. Another major reason is financial pressure. Rising inflation, student loans, and family responsibilities make entry-level salaries feel insufficient. Starting a business, even on a small scale, offers the possibility of higher income growth and financial independence, something that fixed salaries often fail to provide. Fresh graduates are also motivated by the desire for freedom and control. Unlike traditional jobs with fixed hours, limited authority, and slow promotions, entrepreneurship allows them to control their schedules, make decisions, and build something they truly own. This sense of ownership gives purpose and motivation that many entry-level roles lack. Additionally, the rapid growth of technology and digital platforms has made entrepreneurship more accessible than ever. With the internet, social media, freelancing platforms, and online marketplaces, graduates can start businesses with minimal capital, using only their skills, creativity, and consistency. Digital businesses such as freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, online tutoring, and consulting have lowered the barriers that once prevented young people from becoming entrepreneurs. Another important factor is job insecurity and economic uncertainty. Frequent layoffs, automation, and economic instability have shown graduates that relying solely on one employer can be risky. Starting a business or side hustle feels like a safer long-term strategy, allowing them to create multiple income streams and reduce dependence on a single job. Fresh graduates also want opportunities for personal growth and learning. Entrepreneurship teaches real-world skills such as problem-solving, communication, leadership, time management, and financial planning skills that are often not developed fully in academic settings. Even if a business fails, the experience gained is valuable and transferable. Moreover, many graduates are inspired by successful entrepreneurs and role models they see on social media, podcasts, and online communities. These stories make entrepreneurship feel achievable and relatable, encouraging graduates to take risks early when responsibilities are relatively lower. Another reason is the desire to create impact and solve problems. Many young people want to contribute meaningfully to society by addressing real issues through innovative solutions, whether in technology, education, health, or sustainability. Traditional jobs often limit creativity, while entrepreneurship allows graduates to experiment and innovate freely. Furthermore, starting a business helps graduates build confidence and resilience. Facing challenges, failures, and uncertainties strengthens their mindset and prepares them for future